Honoring Siddhidatri. Ayum Devi Siddhidatri NMH. With this prayer, we bow to the Divine Mother, Siddhidatri. She is the 9th form of Goddess Durga. We ask for her blessings on our journey. Siddhidatri means giver of Siddhis. Siddhis are special powers. She gives these powers to those who truly seek them. She represents the highest point of spiritual growth. Her presence means freedom. Siddhidatri is often shown riding a lion. This shows control over the mind. She represents ultimate bravery and wisdom. By meditating on her, we bring these qualities into our lives. Siddhidatri holds different objects in her 4 hands. Each one has a deep meaning. The mace represents the power to break free from illusions. The discus shows the cycle of time. The conch shell represents the sacred sound, AUM. The book represents knowledge and wisdom. These symbols remind us of the tools we have on our spiritual path. Ancient wisdom, timeless truth. Siddhidatri's story is found in ancient scriptures. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali talk about achieving Siddhis through dedicated practice. The Rig Veda praises the divine feminine as the beginning of all creation. These texts guide us on our inner journey. They give us a map to experience the divine within us. Siddhidatri represents the end of this journey. A universe inside. Modern science shows us a connected universe. Quantum physics suggests that everything is energy. This is similar to the ancient yogic understanding of the universe. We are not alone. We are part of a large connected web of life. Understanding this connection is the key to true happiness. Living with open eyes. How can we feel this unity in our everyday lives? Start with small acts of kindness. Practice unity meditation. Repeat affirmations that feel connected. These practices help us grow compassion. They break down the feeling of separation. They awaken us to the divine within ourselves and in everyone. May you always see. May Goddess Siddhidatri bless you. May you go through life with grace and wisdom. May you always see the divine in every moment.